refused to touch me. On the night of our wedding, I forced a kiss on him. He ran into the toilet, spitting everywhere. Mama, do I have mouth odor?
Oh no. Don't say that. But are you sure?
Mama, I'm very sure what I'm saying. Even the kiss he gave to me, I fought him before he could give me the kiss. My husband avoids me like I have leprosy. Mama, I made a terrible mistake. I should have dated him before marrying him. Look at what I'm going through. I saw the red flag, but I deliberately ignored the red flag. Now look at what I'm going through. How can my husband avoid me on the night of our wedding, Mama?
It's okay. It's okay. Look, I want to assure you that everything is under my control. Are you hearing me? Just relax. You don't need to bother yourself about anything. He is my son. I know how to handle him. Wipe your tears. I want to assure you that this is the last time you will ever experience this kind of rejection and refusal from him again. Are you hearing me? Wipe your tears. Don't worry, I'm here for you. Hmm? You can always count on me. Always. It's alright, my dear. Wipe your tears. It's alright. You can always count on me.
I hope you don't feel bad, right?
I miss you very much.
I miss you even more.
This is very hard on me.
I understand. Let's try one more time. Josh, are you okay?
Yeah. Fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mama? Mama?
Name of Jesus, I begin to take authority over every foul spirit that is working against my son's marital settlement. By the power in the name of Jesus Christ, I come against your power. You forces of darkness from the water, from the sea, from the river, from the land, from the air, I command you in the name of Jesus Christ. Scatter now, scatter now, scatter now, scatter now.
Mama, my husband has started again.
What is it?
He talks to himself alone, laughs, he's even kissing the air. Mama, come and see.
Holy Ghost fire, devil, you are a liar. Devil, you are a liar. Magadaga, mo satire. Kechuku, are you okay? Huh? Who were you talking to?
Mama, you were supposed to actually knock. That's what the door is meant for. You knock. Is that too hard to do?
I will can happen that thing. I'm talking about something important and I can't knock before you enter. Who were you talking to?
Mama, I was not talking to anybody. Besides, this is my room. I can do whatever I want to do in my own room. Okay? And if you must know, I was rehearsing.
Rehearsing for what? Rehearsing? Is that why you were laughing so hard?
Yes.
Okay, Chuku, this is not normal.
I don't understand what you mean. Oh, I'm normal.
This is not normal. Oh, kuche gidere kwa ya.
Kuche mdia.
Kuche gidere kwa ya.
Kuche mdia.
Ne. You heard him. He was rehearsing for a seminar. So please, you have nothing to worry about. Okay? Just stay with your husband. I'm preparing dinner. Once dinner is ready, I'll call both of you to come and eat. Oh, mom. Nah, uche gidere kwa ya. Uche gidere kwa ya.
Kuche mdia. Since when did we start eating together? I want my food brought up to my room now.
Joshua, a family that eats together stays together. I want breakfast, lunch and dinner to be done here like one big happy family. That's how I raised you up, remember?
Well, mother, things are done differently here. And I want my dinner served in my room.
Joshua, I don't understand you these days. This is not how I raised you. You are totally a different person now.
Enough, mother! I have had it up to here. Okay? I am still the same Josh that you know. But I'm just a young man who does things privately. And I will not eat at the same table with this woman.
Oh, really? You value your privacy and that includes talking to an invisible object, right?
I will not be insulted, mother. Okay? I want my dinner served in my room. Unless you don't want me to have dinner tonight, and then that's fine.
Will you drop that food here? Are you out of your mind? Drop that food! Drop it! Get out. Enjoy your meal. So, who is this for?
It's for Oga. I'm taking it to his room.
Oh, good girl. Let me help you.
No, don't worry, ma. You can go to
Let
bed.
me have it. Now go and sleep. You want to go and sleep? Your mates are already asleep. Go and sleep. Are you kerosene? Ihoma, are you still standing there?
No, ma. I've gone. No.
Mama coming.
So, I brought you orange juice, your favorite.
Thank you very much, but I asked Ihoma to bring it.
Must it be Ihoma? Eh? You wanted her to bring your food to your bedroom. Now you want her to bring juice. Okay, I brought it. Are you not going to drink it?
Mama, please, I'm begging you, don't even go there. Please, don't do that.
Okay, drink up.
I'll drink up when I want to.
No, I will not leave until you drink it.
Mama, I will drink it when I want to drink. We won't force me to drink it now, please.
You refuse to eat my food. Are you also going to refuse to drink juice? Eh? I'm not leaving until you drink it. I am waiting, oh. Is that all?
You said I should just drink it. I should drink small. I
No.
drank it now.
There was no small in what I said. I said drink up. Oh, which means you're still angry with me.
Mama, I'm
Where?
not angry with you. Please, I just want to be by myself, Biko.
I will not leave until you drink. Oh, you don't want to drink the juice, eh? You want me to start crying now? You want me to start crying now? You are still angry with me. That is it. You are still angry with me. You don't want to drink the juice. My good son, but you like to pull my legs. You like to pull my legs. Okay, I'm happy now. Okay. Good night, oh. Let me now go and sleep. Good night, oh. Is ready. The atmosphere is charged. He has fallen asleep. So you can go now. Okay, ma'am. Look, whatever you do tonight, make sure he plants his seed inside of you. That's the bone of contention.
Thank you, ma. I'll try to do my best.
Alright, right now, you're going to freshen up. Take a good bath, wear a good perfume, then wear something sexy. If you know what I mean.
I will, ma. Thank you, ma.
Alright. Now, one more thing. I want a result. Positive result.
Okay, ma.
Is that clear? Alright. Go for it. Good luck. Look at what I have turned you to. I've been talking to you, but you have refused to listen to me. Look at you, like a vegetable. I've told you times without number, I am the only one that truly loves you. But now I can't even help. My hands are tied. I can't do anything for you. What is wrong? Where are you going? Josh? Josh! Oh my God. Josh! 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 What is wrong with you? Josh! Listen, don't do this. I love you so much and I don't want you to come this place I am. Please! Josh! Josh! Stop scaring me. Stop scaring me now. No, to me.
No!
No! No! No! No! No! Let me see how you will ever come close to my son again. Nonsense. When you get to the land of the dead, tell them you met a stronger woman, a principality that is unbreakable. Nonsense. Want result. I want result. I want positive result. Is that clear? Now, go and do the needful. I know you're shy. All right, enjoy yourself. Huh?
Hello? Hello? Hello, wake up. Wake up. Hello? Stand up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Did you touch me?
Yes, now why?
You took advantage of me.
Which one is took advantage? I had a taste of you. Are you not my husband?
Oh my God.
Didn't you enjoy it? Because I did. You know, I was waiting for you to wake up so I can compliment you. Ibu machine. German machine. Odogu. Now you be. Hi! You know what? Now that you are awake, your eyes are opened. Let me do the second round.
Tell me what? Are you okay? Are you normal?
Which one is are you normal? Please give me my property. I want to do second round.
Respect yourself.
Give it to me.
Respect yourself. See what you did today? See what you did today? You will regret it. I promise you, you will regret it. I am so sorry, my love. don't know what happened. I don't know what came over me.
It was your mother's doing.
My mother's doing? How do you mean?
She used charm on you and everywhere in that house. As it stands now, I can't even access that house again.
Oh, you knew about it? And you did nothing about it? You did not even try to stop her?
How could I have done something when my hands were tied?
Oh my God. Why would my mother even do a thing like that?
She believes you're possessed. And because of this, I am so angry at you right now. You will have to beg to see me again.
No, don't say that.
What's happening? Who are you talking to?
How is it even your business who I was talking to? Are you okay? Why would you barge into my office like that? Are you normal?
I'm sorry.
Oh, let me understand right now. So you think because we are friends, you won't respect me any longer? Right?
I said I'm sorry. The door was not locked. Then I decided to peep.
Oh, you peeped. Now you're monitoring me in my own office. You've all of a sudden forgotten that I'm the CEO of this organization, right?
No, George.
Get out.
Please calm down, please.
I said get out.
Josh.
Get out! Hi.
Are you girls done preparing the stuff?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can go.
You don't need us to assist you with any other thing.
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Erika, who is pursuing you?
Mama, I was in the kitchen. I placed the pot of soup on the fire. The next thing I saw, the soup, the pot, everything was on the floor. Mama, there's a spirit in this house.
Hey, shut up. What do you mean by there's a spirit in this house? Are you the one that came with the spirit? So what do you mean? You're supposed to be a strong woman. Huh? A strong woman. A strong woman, that's what you should be. How can you be running like that when no one is pursuing you? I think you're hallucinating.
Mama, I know what I saw, but if you think I am hallucinating, then I believe you.
Of course. Because you didn't see anything. Okay, now go back to your cooking. Go back to the kitchen.
Mbakwa, Ihema should go to the kitchen and continue from where I stopped. There is no way I am going there. Or better still, you can go to the kitchen and cook. After all, you're a woman like me. Don't you have hands like me? Please, oh, I'm not going there. Ah.
Oh, I did not do anything.
You even have the temerity to call God's name while lying. You on your jaw. How can you say this, Mama? Do you know what this has cost me?
But I did not do anything.
You did something. Pray. pray that she forgives me because I will not find it funny with you. I will not have it easy with you.
She?
Yes!
Who is she? Erika is upstairs now. Who is she?
Angel, forgive me. Angel, I have wronged you.
Joshua, what are you saying?
I said so. I have done all sorts of evil to you, but please, forgive me. It is not my making, please. Forgive me.
Joshua, what are you saying now?
Please, Angel, appear to me wherever you are.
Okay, Chukwu.
Appear to me wherever you are. I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Go to my son.
Mama.
Joshua.
Have mercy. Forgive me, please. Forgive me. You want to ruin my life. You want to render me useless. How can you do this?
But I did not do
Mama, how can you drug me?
I did not do anything.
Angel, please, wherever you are, I am nothing without you.
My son has lost
Nothing
it.
without you. Please, forgive me, Mama. Please.
My son has lost it.
Forgive me, I love you very much.
My son has lost it.
So what you two have caused me.
My son has lost it. Erika, my son has lost it.
Mama.
Please. Please forgive me. I love you very much.
Mama, I think my husband is raving mad.
Hey!
Come back.
You know what? Lock the door.
Appear.
Let me get rope and tie him up.
Appear.
Irioma!
Whatever you can do.
Get me rope. Get me rope. Quickly.
Rope.
Yes.
Whatever.
Quickly, rope. Come ask me questions.
Whatever you can do. What do we need to do?
Get me rope. I need to tie him up. Quickly. He's going mad. He's raving mad.
Joshua, Mama.
Go and get rope now. I'm not joking. Go upstairs quickly.
Forgive me.
Joshua, what's the problem?
Forgive me.
Joshua.
I've wronged you. I know I've wronged you. But please, find it in your heart to forgive me.
Bring, let's tie
Hear
him.
me. If you come back to me. If you come back to me. If you come back to me. You come back to me.
Mama, let me get my phone so I can call the psychiatric doctor to come and help him out.
Please do. But don't make me go tell him. Joshua, Mama. Joshua, what is it? Joshua, why are you behaving like this?
Mama, see what you caused. Mama, see what you caused.
Mama, what did you do? I did not do anything, no. I did not do anything.
Angel, please, wherever
I
you
did
are,
not do
please
anything.
appear to me. Appear to me. Appear to me. Appear to me. Wherever you are, appear to me. Have mercy. Oh.
So, how are you feeling now?
I'm perfectly fine.
What happened?
I don't know, you should be asking my mother and my wife. Because I don't understand why they brought me to a psychiatric hospital.
Well, according to them, you were talking to yourself.
Look, Doc, it's just an attitude that I display anytime I am extremely angry. It's nothing serious.
I see. Well, madam, your son is fine. You don't need to bother yourself. But if you're not satisfied yet, you can bring him to us anytime you want. Yes, or better still, we can fix an appointment with a psychologist.
Okay. I've heard you.
Yes, ma'am. It's okay. I'll be in my office.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Can I go home now, please? Can we go home?
Joshua, calm down now. We will go. Let's talk first.
The doctor said I'm okay. Can we go home? Please, can we go home?
Erika, Mama, what do you think we should do next? Let's go now, since the doctor says it's okay. Alright, Joshua. Yes. Erika, it doesn't look like it's me. Erika, let's go after him before you run away.
Has entered you, Erika. You have sold your soul to devil. You hate your sister with passion. Gini komeregio, chukwe Erika. Marakwa nuku naga wara wara nenuwa. Anya naga zamzam na fusikwa ike. What do you stand to gain in all this wickedness? Remember, Judgment Day is coming up. Papa Parogi chukwe Erika. Mane kwense chukwe sigi. Ineme walo. Aparogi Erika. Mane kwense chukwe sigi.
Mama, I think I'm sick.
For how long?
I think it's for a while now. I've been feeling very feverish lately. I don't know, my body is just doing me somehow.
And you didn't mention it to me. Wait, have you been feeling well?
Yes.
Are you sure? What did you eat this morning?
Mama, I ate rice.
Rice? Okay, you know what? Lie down. Please, just lie down. You feel down there? All right, get up, get up. Get up, my darling. Sorry, my dear. Now, tell me, when last did you see your period?
Mama, I missed my period day, but I'm expecting it.
You are not expecting it. You missed it, right? Then you have missed it forever. It is not coming. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, onye meligwe. Ekele. Obi huku. Odobunaga. Omega. Omemboji. Iya. Ne. My love. My sweetheart. The one that wants to wipe away my tears. The one that wants to take away shame from me. No! My angel. You are pregnant. Yes! You are carrying my grandchild. In fact, I'm expecting two. Hey! Are
you sure I'm pregnant?
Yes. My grandchildren are there. Yes. See, as from today, don't stress yourself. Now, sit well. Do your leg well. When you sit, open your legs. Don't sit like a girl again. You are now a woman. You are now in charge. This is your home. So when you sit like a woman in her home. Never! I wish I was Josh, my son. I would have kissed you now. Okay, now tell me. What do you want? What do you want me to offer you? Anything. Just say it.
Mama, what is the problem? You
No.
sounded like there was an emergency.
No!
Yeho,
No!
what is the problem?
The Lord has done it.
Mama, what is it? What has the Lord done?
Praise the Lord.
My ears are itching. What is it?
Your wife is pregnant. Yes. You are about to be called a father.
Are you serious?
Yes. God has answered our prayer. Your mother is about to carry her grandchild.
Lekuya, Olandia, Asamo, Oyoyum, Ugowenja Fuzo, or Genede.
Josh, I know you feel nothing for me. I know you don't love me. But please, I'm begging you, for the sake of our unborn child, let us have this baby in peace.
Erica. Yes, I may not love you, but I don't hate you either. Okay?
Joshua,
She's here.
she's here.
Angel, what did you do that for?
Did you just ask that question? Well, if you must know, I hate her. I hate her so much and I hate everything she represents.
But you know she is carrying my child. Do you want her to miscarry?
Wouldn't that be better?
Are you serious? You think it's better for me to lose my child? You know I want this child very much. How can you do this? You want me to lose this one?
I'm jealous! I don't want anyone around you. She's taking your attention away from me. I don't want her to have your child, neither do I want her anywhere around you.
Angel, I love you very much, but we cannot continue to do this. We cannot be together. Don't you see it? We are worlds apart. I'm in a different world. You're in a different world. I cannot even access your world.
Josh, can you even hear yourself speak at all? We've been together up until now. What changed?
Well, what changed is that my wife is pregnant now. And I want this child. I mean, I can't continue to do this with you. People think I'm abnormal. I go outside and I talk to myself, and people think I'm abnormal. How long do I need to continue like this? I cannot do this any longer. I want this child. My mother wants this child.
Why are you being so selfish? Josh, why are you being so selfish? So now, it's all about you. It's all about your mother and what you want. What about me? What about me? Is this the love you promised me? You promised together forever. Why are you doing this to me?
I promised you, but I cannot keep this promise anymore.
Oh.
I cannot. I am sorry. Think about it. I cannot. We can't continue to do this forever. I need the touch of a woman. A woman needs to touch me. Don't you get it?
I cannot get this. I can never ever get this, Josh. Stop telling me this. You're breaking my heart. You are breaking my soul.
I need to be a great father to my unborn child, as much as I also need to be a good husband to Erica.
Oh. That will never happen. I will not let that happen, Josh. I won't.
Then you leave me with no choice but to choose between you and my child. And I choose my child.
Josh.
I choose to have a child.
Josh. Josh, you can do this. Josh! No!
I'm leaving this house. There is no way I'm staying in this house. I know what I saw. There's a ghost in this house, Mama.
There is no ghost! There's no ghost anywhere! This is my son's house, and no ghost contributed in building this house. There's no ghost.
Mama, I'm not a child. I know what I saw. I saw her. She was the one that pushed me.
Was I not there? Was I not there? It was my son that pushed you. There's no ghost anywhere.
Mama, why are you finding it so difficult to believe me? I saw this girl with my eyes. She pushed me. Mama, I would have been dead though. Eh? I have to leave this house before somebody kills my child for me.
Thank God you didn't die and you will not die. And in fact, you can't even live now that you're carrying my grandchild. Huh? I've told you, this is your house. Take charge. Don't be scared.
Mama, I don't want to take charge again. You take charge of your house because as it is, I am married to an abnormal man.
Huh?
Yes.
Don't say that. Don't say that again. My son is normal. My son loves you. He loves you passionately. And he loves kids too. Just that he has not gotten over the past.
What past?
My dear, it's a long story. Please, can you sit?
Oh my God. So good to see you, darling.
Same here.
Oh my God.
How's your day been?
My day has been really boring, I won't say. Well, without you, actually. So what happened to you? You didn't go to work today?
I actually did, but I had very little to do, so I thought it wise to come spend some time with you.
Very thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. So where would you want me to take you to? Just name any restaurant of your choice and I'll take you there. Or would you rather we go to your house today?
You're asking the wrongest person. I really do not know my way around here. You know better, so just take me anywhere you want. And at the end of the day, you drop me home.
Okay, darling.
Right.
No problem. You have to give me a couple of minutes to round this up and then we'll leave.
That's fine.
You look very beautiful, by the way. You're welcome.
You'll make me blush.
Aww.
You think you have a lot to do?
Yes.
Her name was Angel. Angel was a good girl and a good friend to my son. You can't see Josh anywhere without seeing Angel. They were so much in love. So much that I concluded their love was made in heaven. They looked so good together that I couldn't help but just admire them. Until one fateful day, a tragedy struck. I got a call from my son that Angel was in the hospital. I rushed down to the hospital immediately. But before I got there, it was too late. Because Angel was gone. She was gone to the great beyond. It was a huge loss. So much that since then, my son has not gotten over it.
So the man I am married to is still in love with a ghost. And you expect me to still continue staying in this house, Mama? You see what I'm saying? You see, until I die first?
No, that's not what
I should be out of this place by now, Mama. Mama, please. I'm going to get my things. And I'm leaving this house. Erica, come back. Erica.
Erica? What? What is it?
I saw her.
You saw who?
Your dead girlfriend. She was trying to kill me. George, I think I need to leave this house. That girl has plans to kill me.
Please, don't leave. Okay? I want to give love a chance again. And I want to do this with you. Please, I beg you, don't leave. Please.
She's here. The door just closed by itself. She's here. I'm very sure about this. Oh my goodness. Josh, she's here.
You promised never to leave me. You promised to love me forever. You promised that no one can ever take my place. Now tell me, what went wrong? What happened?
All this while, I have lived for you. I did everything that you've ever asked me to do. I did all your biddings. And now that I want to start living my life, you can't take it?
I can't take it. I cannot take it, Josh. You want to start living with my arch enemy. I cannot take this. I can't. At least have the decency to keep to your promise.
I won't. I cannot keep to that promise anymore. I can't.
Josh.
No, I can't do it anymore. Okay? I have a life to live and I will live that life. I have Erica now. And I will not lose her to you. Okay? We are worlds apart. So leave! No!
Josh, she's the one you've been talking to, right? She's the one. I told you to let me go. This girl is on a mission. She wants to kill me.
I will not let you.
She wants to take my life. Let me go, please.
Erica,
I wouldn't want her to hurt my child and I. Let me go. I beg you.
No, I cannot let you go. Okay?
I cannot continue to live like this. I cannot continue to live in fear. Let me go, please.
I can't, Erica. I'm sorry. I cannot do that.
Josh.
No, I can't. I'm sorry. What? Are you okay?
No, I feel pains.
Come
Are you sure she's not done something to my child?
No, she hasn't. She hasn't. Just come and sit. Come. Come, we have to sit.
Josh,
Come.
we are both living in fear. Can't you see?
She will not bother you anymore.
Are you sure?
I am very sure, okay? Just come. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay.
Are you sure she's not somewhere around?
Sweetheart, trust me. Erica, just trust me, okay?
scared of you? Look at this useless thing. You are there fighting for a human. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You are the most worthless ghost I have ever seen. Eh? Have I seen you? No. You are the most useless ghost ever. Foolish thing. Come out. Enough is enough. I'm not afraid. Ah! Don't tell me you're sorry. You're allowing that useless ghost haunt me. What have I done to deserve this?
I wish I could do something about